Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about pandas. So before starting this video, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Panda is an open source BSD licensed library providing high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools for the Python programming language. Its key data structure is called data frame. Data frames allow you to store and manipulate tabular data in the rows of observations, columns and variables. So we will import both NumPy as well as pandas. You can see the code in the screen. Next, we are going to create data frame. So I already pasted this data frame. You can see in the screen. First one is range inside this and reshape, range, index, columns. Through index we have defined the index and through column we have defined the columns. So we are going to print this data frame. We will use head functions to print this data frame. You can see in the screen the output. The data is between 0 to 20, that is why it's showing 0 to 19. For saving the file, we will use 2.csv because we are saving this file in CSV format. Inside it, we have to provide a name. After running, you can see the data is stored in this particular location, test.csv. Again, we are coming back in the original page. Here we are going to access element with. Here we have two ways. One is LOC and another one is ILOC. First one is LOC. So with the help of LOC, you can see the output. Next, we are going to perform ILOC. In ILOC, we are using slice method. So you can see after using a slice method, the output is in the screen. Next, we are going to see the type of both ways. First one is LOC, you can see series.series, and for ILOC, we have to check what it is returning. Oh, yeah, you can see it's showing frame.dataframe. So this is the basic difference between ILOC and LOC. Next, we are going to access data with the help of slice method. Here normally we are using ILOC method. So inside this, in row we are providing 0 to 2 and in column 2 to 4 range. You can see in the output showing 2, 3, 6, 7. You can match with the table. Again we are going to provide some sample, so which contains. You will fetch all the table values and it will throw this output. Then we are going to convert this table into array format with the help of values. So after running, you can see the output. So we have again another way to convert the table into array. That way is 2 underscore numpy. So you can see in the screen df dot 2 underscore numpy. So after running, you can see the output. We are going to check this table contains any null value or not. For this we will use isNull function. Here everything is showing false, means every data and every value contains some value. If it is containing any null value, it will show true. So again we are going to check according to the column. So we will use sum method. Oh, we have forgot this bracket. Oh yeah, you can see in the screen. It will also throw data type. You can see in 64. We are going to show any value is available according to the column. You can see we have selected column 1 and that contains 0, 4, 8, 12, 16 and every item has single value, that is why it's showing 111. We are going to fetch a file. That file is available in this URL. So we are just providing this URL and that file is separated with tab, that is why it's showing /tab. So after printing you can see the output. So item code, item name, display level, that is the column name. Again we are going to provide some sample how to read a file. So you can see the screen to know how to read any file in our local system. To learn this thing, you have to see complete video. So to read any file, we have to use read_CSV, as we are going to read CSV file, that is why we are providing _CSV. Our file name is in local folder is titanictrain.csv. That is why we are providing these things, and this whole file is available in our local folder. So we have made some mistakes, so we just rechecked it and try to run this. After running, we have to run df2 and you can see the output in the screen. This is the Titanic train file. So here we have 891 rows and 12 columns. So hope this video is helpful for you and thanks for watching this video. And if you like this, hit the like button and subscribe our channel.